Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll continue with our journey to run 1 second pass on 132 feet drag racing on no prep. To begin with, we'll be doing a wheel alignment to make sure the car tracks straight. We will explain everything as we go. I went ahead and wrote down in a piece of paper all the measurements, the stock measurements, before I do anything on it, in case things don't go according to plan, so I have a point to go back to. Let's get started. So the Arrma Infraction from factory comes with 2 degrees toe in, and for drag racing we need 0 degrees at the back of the car. So we will be replacing the hinge holders from the factory ones that offer no adjustability to adjustable ones. At the same time we will be replacing the hinges for heavy duty ones. Let's put it back together. So we're finally done with the wheel alignment. As you can see, we got all of our camber on full race on 0 degrees, and the rear as well. And our toe at the front is 1 out on each wheel, and at the rear it's 0. This is a very good tool which I bought off eBay, a must-have if you're doing wheel alignments. If you want to go straight, it's a must-have tool. It's good by eye, but it will never be as good. Going for testing and see what we're doing. Also, we're going to use foamies, contact tires, they're ultra soft, because the GRPs, they just don't have the grip anymore. It's too much power for it. Let's see. I don't think the motor has much more left in it. We're going to replace the pinion with the 24, with 22. We know the 24 is cutting out. Maybe that 22 pinion will give us something extra. If not, then we have to get another engine, I guess. Exciting. We replaced the pinion with a 22 pinion out of 20. We're going to give it a run and see how it goes. Let's see. $228, 181 G's. Okay, that's a PB, guys. 2.28 at 104 Ks. I'm really excited with that. As I said before, I think it's pretty maxed out with his engine. It might do a low 220s, but I don't think it will go into the ones with this combo. At the moment it's running a Max 6 ESC, sorry, and tracks as UDR motor. I think it's time for either Castle or TP motors.
Please comment below and tell me which one should I get, the TP Motors 4070 or the Castle Creations 7021 2400 kV. You're gonna have to excuse my voice, guys. I've been sick for the past week. So we've done a 2.28 at 104 Ks and 1.81 Gs. It's pretty good for what the car is with stock diff, stock suspension, and stock everything else. But I believe we need over 2 Gs to be able to run that 1 second pass. So in the next video, we will be playing with the center diff to give that 50-50 distribution front to back. Because what I think it is, I think that center diff at the moment has very thin oil, and when the car takes off, the front lifts and all the power goes there and nothing at the back. So we're going to be replacing the diff oil with a thicker one. We also have a spool to try out. We will see how it goes. At the same time, we will be replacing all the shafts for titanium ones and the center shafts with carbon ones. And we'll be also playing with the air of the car. Underneath the car right now, there is 2 massive holes left and right of the car, which I think it acts like the air goes through on the run and the body of the car runs as a parachute. So I would like to block those off and see if that will give us any better results. But the wheel alignment and what we've done with the car so far and the setup, it actually works pretty good. Like the car goes straight, tracks straight. We've done it 10th faster than our previous run with the exact same setup, and I basically don't have even to touch the steering wheel. You need that if you want to do a good time. You need the car to do it by itself. If you put any input into it, the car just won't do the time because you're playing like the margins there. It's so little that even playing with the steering wheel attached, it will save 1/10 off, and you're out of the time anyways. If you like what you see, guys, please like and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thanks for joining in. See you in the next one.